Hey guys, it's Monique. I'm here at Tempe Town Lake and just finished a bike ride. So I want to tell you a little bit about my biking history. I started about a year and a half ago. I decided to do my first half Ironman race, and I was very new at biking. There's a lot that goes on when it comes to biking that you have to learn about. Not a lot of people tell you about. One, you have to learn actually how to ride the bike, how to clip in, how to do all these different things. After my bike rides, I would have to get my bike somehow back into my car. I had already been biking for 4 hours. Sometimes it was already into 100 degrees. You just want to get in your car and get home. But I would have to take my wheel off, get my wheel off, then I would have to take the rest of my bike, fit it in my car. Usually it was denting my car, ruining my seats, making me very, very frustrated, and then sticking my tire back in. So it was definitely a struggle. But now my bike rides have changed a lot. I went and got a hitch from U-Haul and a bike rack, and it's so much more convenient. One, my car is not getting damaged as much. Two, I'm not as frustrated as much. I can just put my bike in, and I got a bike rack that's really awesome, and it folds up afterwards. So when I get home, I put my bike back in my garage, fold up my bike rack. It's so much easier. I will tell you that any avid bike rider or someone that is just beginning biking, this is something you're gonna want because it's really gonna change it. It's one less hassle, it's one less thing you have to worry about, and it's one less thing that's gonna make you frustrated. I highly suggest getting a hitch and getting a bike rack. The hitch and the bike rack free up a lot of my time and make it so much more convenient for me to continue to enjoy biking and making my life a little bit easier.